Well, first off, good morning, everyone. I know it's pretty early, um, but I wanted to get this video done. I have other things that need attending to later today. So, to start off, I want to discuss about my lesson that I did last week. It was the science lesson, and my lesson was the water bottle or the tornadoes in a water bottle. Um, and I was surprised. I did it kind of in a large group. The teacher suggested that we do it during work time slash free play, just so then kids could choose whether or not they want to do it versus you're forcing them, and then some of them are, not exactly paying attention. So, which worked out perfectly. I had like 10 10 kids at one table, and we worked on the experiment to the best of our abilities. Um, I did it based off the Reggio style. I used recycled materials, so I tried to incorporate recycled materials, and I tried to have the students sort of lead it in a way or try to make it their own. They wanted to color the water bottles, so I said, go ahead, grab as many markers as you like, and we'll color the water bottles. And it didn't work out like they hoped it would. I think it was due to the water, but they were enjoying it. One little girl, she actually decided to keep one of the water bottles and made a water bottle monster instead, which was totally fine. Like I said, go ahead. But experiment wise, it was great. Students, I noticed students were asking questions. You could see them being curious. They tried different ways to make the water spin like a tornado after I demonstrated what the tornado looks like. So they tried different ways of trying to get it to be an exact copy, and which was amazing. One student actually said, "Oh, let's shake the bottle. I think that'll work," and that that was fun to watch. I kept questions. I tried to keep them open ended, so I would ask students when they noticed that some of the water wasn't staying in the water bottle. I would ask them, "Why do you think the water isn't staying in the bottle? Why is it falling out? Why isn't the tape keeping the water in?" And some of them said, "Well, that's because the tape's not tight enough." Another student said the bottle was too loose, and other students, but most of the students were very into it. So I make sure to keep questions as open ended as possible. And try to get as many students involved with the experiment. Um, so, meaning one of the things that we were also focusing on development wise was the physical development. I was having them practice their fine and gross motor skills. One of the ways I did this was I had students pour the water into the water bottles, and like some students, they would grab the water bottle and obviously pour the water into the bottle. Other students would just dump the water. Good thing is we had a tray, so it's like if water didn't exactly go into the bottle the first try, we could always dump it back into the bucket and retry again. So all in all, the experiment was fun. It was great. I got a lot out of it. The students enjoyed it, and it was successful. So that was the main thing, and the important thing is the students, I think, took away from it was the fact that you can do a lot of fun things with recycled materials, and they enjoyed it. So moving on. This week for my final lesson is the physical development and the social studies development. So since we're combining the two topics together, and creating one, I decided to do a dinosaur expedition. So basically, what I'm going to have the students do is I'm going to first, material-wise is we're going to use different dinosaur figurines of different dinosaurs, and we're going to hide them all over the playground because my activity is going to be an outdoor one based off Waldorf. So using nature and its surroundings, I'm going to be hiding the dinosaurs in different spots around the playground. So if it's hidden in the sandbox, I might hide them under the sand and have the students dig and see if they can find a dinosaur. I'll definitely hide them in low trees. Obviously, I'm not gonna try to make it difficult or too difficult for them and trying to find it by hiding it on like a super tall tree branch, because I want them to physically find the dinosaur themselves and try to grab it. So, but I'll definitely be hiding them where it's forcing them to look, to move around, to find the dinosaur, to explore the outdoor surroundings. Also, in this lesson, I'll have a book with it, a dinosaur book, definitely with different types of dinosaurs, just so students can compare. Oh, this is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and he's a carnivore, a meat eater. So I'll definitely be introducing some different types of vocabulary into this as well. Some big words. I don't expect them to know it by heart, but it'll definitely give them a chance to learn new words and to say, oh, I heard that word somewhere before, instead of just saying that's a meat eater, which we'll obviously be using, but also using the proper term. That's a carnivore. A carnivore means the animal has sharp teeth. Or a herbivore, that means they eat plants and they have flat teeth. Something along the lines of that. So just to kind of demonstrate, I'm using my brother's playroom, so excuse the mess. And since I don't own any dinosaur figurines, I decided to use red cups. So just to quickly show you, excuse the shakiness of the laptop. So as you can see, there's some red cups that I've hidden. I don't know if you guys can see them. So again, excuse the shakiness of the laptop. So there's a red cup there, there's a red cup there. Those are going to be the dinosaurs, or they're signifying dinosaurs. And basically, obviously, this is going to be more outdoor activity. So I'm planning on hiding them like in bushes or on bushes, maybe even hiding them under like slides and on the playground. I even like probably like if they have boxes, I might even hide them in boxes as well. But yeah, that's kind of the gist. Again, sorry if you didn't see, but like here's a red Solo cup being hidden. The dinosaur that's hiding. Again, sorry about the shakiness of the computer. I don't have the switch view like on iPhones. But the gist is to have the students explore the outdoor environment by finding dinosaurs and teaching them about the different dinosaurs that used to roam the planet. Excuse me. I'm excited. I'm hoping for this one it works well. I do ask if you guys have any suggestions just to make this easier, please comment. I'm open to anything. I'll try to reply to you when I can. And hopefully your guys' lessons go as well as mine is. Other than that, good luck this last week, and hopefully I will see you guys next week for our final day. Bye, guys.